Well, the Red Cross Hawaii finds itself in the middle of a legal complaint. Its former CEO filed a complaint with the Hawaii Civil Rights Commission and Equal Opportunity Commission, saying the Red Cross terminated her wrongly.
A legal analyst says the timing of the termination is critical in this case.
Diane Peters-Nguyen, CEO of the American Red Cross's Pacific Island region, says she filed a complaint about her national leadership on April 9th with the Hawaii Civil Rights Commission and Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Her lawyer, Morgan-Bickerton, says on April 16th, Peters-Nguyen was placed on administrative leave. On May 3rd, she was fired. Morgan-Bickerton calls it a retaliation. Attorney Megan Kao is not involved with the case but gave us her legal analysis.
It's surprising to me that the Red Cross would terminate this employee after she has filed with the Hawaii Civil Rights Commission. That immediately brings up a potential lawsuit on behalf of the plaintiff claiming whistleblower or retaliation. It definitely opens up the employer to liability.
If Ms. Peters-Nguyen had filed the complaint with the Hawaii Civil Rights Commission and yet was allowed to continue working at the Red Cross, would that create an entirely different picture?
Yeah, so had the employer not terminated the employee subsequent to the employee filing the HCRC complaint, then there would be no basis for a lawsuit.
The American Red Cross says it is committed to supporting Maui as the community continues on the long and difficult road of recovery. Quote, "We appreciate the years of service Ms. Peters-Nguyen brought to the Pacific Islands region during her tenure. It won't comment because the matter is in litigation." Kao said employment lawsuits are very difficult.
But I will say when you have termination very shortly after a Hawaii Civil Rights Commission complaint has been made, it's very difficult for the employer to try to argue that it was not retaliation.
Morgan-Bickerton says the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is investigating. The EEOC can either find wrongdoing and issue fines and punishments, or it can choose not to prosecute, in which case it will issue a right to sue letter. That's when the client can choose to file a private lawsuit. Morgan-Bickerton told us if it's not resolved through the administrative process, it will likely end up in litigation.
What do you think her chances of getting future employment will be?
It's going to be difficult, that she's clearly been terminated, and so other employers are going to look unfavorably upon that.
Damages depend on how hard it'll be for the plaintiff to find work again. It's calculated by factoring in the salary, by the amount of years at that job.